Guys and Assalamualaikum. My name is Fahana binti Mak Fazil and I am from Sungai Petani Kedah. I am 7 years old this year and I'm right now currently working as freelancer. I used to work with a corporate company, but because of pandemic, so unfortunately my boss have to let me go. But I am still grateful because I am still working under her, but as a freelancer. So by the paying of freelancer is not that much. So I need something. So I am kind of desperate that time. I need something to top up the income that I have lose to cover up my life. So I'm looking for something to top up my income. Unfortunately, lots of the opportunity out there, they need to have more, need to have capital. So me being broke, being my saving is quite low. I don't have because everything is lots of my saving I have used my saving to lots of things. I do have initiate myself to do business before this, and I also have debts, which is I owe my parents, I owe my friends because of I need capital to do my business, and the business is not successful, and I have to still pay the debts. So my saving is not that much. So I'm still looking for an opportunity that didn't have any capital required. I know it's kind of like too good to be true. I know it's kind of really impossible to have it, but I found about Atomy. Okay, I've been introduced Atomy. I've been introduced Atomy from my boss mother. Okay, my leader is Auntie Sida. So she introduced me about Atomy, but I at first I am a little bit skeptical about it because I loathe MLM so much. Seriously, if you talk about MLM, I surrender. Okay, I don't want it. I don't want to involve. I don't want to hear anything about it because you know about MLM everything. This is only happening because only the leader will have the result. Will only taste the result, but not the people under the people who is under downline didn't have any benefit on it. So that's why I don't want to hear about it. But I don't know, maybe because of God's destiny, because I know it's happening. Everything happened for a reason, right? So I do, because I do respect Auntie Sida because she's my boss mother, and then I just like, okay lah, I just listen to her whatever she's saying. And she said there is zero capital, so you don't have to pay anything. You just need to share. So too good to be true, right? So I'm a little bit skeptical, and then I heard about the product. Okay, I know there are lots of product. Okay, of course, because if you are in the company, if you are a member, of course you're going to tell everything the good about the product, right? So I just feel that okay, fine, all the product is whatever because of course you're not going to tell the bad thing about the product, right? Because you are the member and then you are representative of the company. So okay, I just feel okay, whatever, okay, fine. And then she tell me, she informed me that the product have been have a lots of research, have been because this is not nothing, is there not the hanky panky product, is have lots of research, and the research is the best research all over the world. Even the other company as well also have the same research center as this one. So I think, wow, must be something good about this product, right? About Atomy product. And then I keep thinking maybe the product will be much expensive, whatever, right? Must be expensive. Of course, I'm not going to buy it. I cannot buy it because of my income right now, my status, right, my situation right now. And then she told me about this one product you call as evening care set. Of course, I am Korean enthusiasm. Okay, I love about Korean product. I trust Korean product. And then when she said about this product is from Korea, it really attract my attention. Okay, and then I keep asking her, okay, the product is from Korea, fine. Okay, I understand that. And then she told me about the price, and then I said, oh, and then I just realized that the price is not that expensive. Ooh. And then why is that? And then she told me about how they have reduced all the advertising and then everything, because the member itself is the one who share the product, so that's why they can cut costs on advertising, and also the packaging is more biodegradable. And I love I love our earth. i love I love this kind of green product, so I think this not bad. Okay, besides, it's nothing to lose, because you don't have, because it's zero capital, and then you don't have to pay anything first. You only buy whatever you want. I just feel that it's good for me. Okay, is something that I really looking for. So so that's why I just, okay, with, I think about 20 or 30 minutes, when she explained to me about it to me, I just give my my IC and then start register. And she's quite shocked because it didn't have I mean, they don't need to have lots of what we call, need to have more, lots of explanation to convince me to join Atomy. So I just joined it first, despite of I heard I don't have a lot. I mean, the knowledge is not that much. I didn't know much about the about Atomy, instead of Korean product, and also from the highest R&D all around. And then I just feel maybe I should just register first, because you have nothing to lose, right? So I register, and then I learned about the marketing plan, and then I learned about the product, because you don't have to sell. That's the beauty of this company, the beauty of Atomy, because you don't have to sell, you only share. I love to share. Okay, if you see my social media, I love to share anything that good. I will share to the world. I will share anything, from food. I will do food review. I will do product review. Anything that I feel good about it, I want people to know about it as well. So I love to share. So that's why I do lots of sharing, and I think this is it's great to have this kind of platform. It's just sharing, not selling. So you don't, because this is nothing that you didn't force. So because I hate forcing people to buy it, and then because they didn't have nothing, because the point that you have collected, because in our system we have points. So the point that we have collected, we don't have to, don't this didn't have expiry date. So that's another point, that why I decided to do Atomy, because there's no expiring date, there's no forcing. You need to buy anything that you need. Okay, you don't, whatever you do, you buy whatever you feel you would like to buy. So I hate forcing people to buy. Okay, that's why I really bad in selling, because I feel bad asking people to buy something that they don't really need, because of I really chasing the commission. So I ask them, I force them to buy. So I don't think that I'm that kind of character. So that's why it's good for me. It's a good platform for me, because I don't have to force people to buy. And then at the same time, I can generate income from it. Okay. How I generate income. And then I heard about, when I joined, of course, because they have lots of system. So they have this kind of education system. They call it as education system. So this system, when I joined one of the class, and then I heard about the speaker saying that because the product, the Atomy product, they offered all the daily necessity product. Okay, so even though you are bankrupt, even though you don't have money, even though you have very limited budget, of course you need to brush your teeth and wash your hair, right? So so despite of buying other product, buying the product that for example other product that in the market, so but if you buy the product, do you have them do you get anything from it? Well, for me, of course no, right? Only that sometimes they have this marketing product like marks. You can get the free marks and then free utensil or free plates, right? But if something to do with monetary, I don't think they will get it. We will get it, right? But for Atomy, if you buy the toothbrush, if you collect a lot of points, you will get money. You will get back the money. So it's kind of like cashback. Okay, so you get back the money. So wherever you spend, you will get it back. So I think it's a good concept for it. And then the best thing about Atomy, the product, if it not suitable with you, if you feel that because of course everybody have the different preferences and different type of skin or different type of body or whatever, and then it is not suitable for you, so there is money back guarantee. So you don't have to worry about it. If you feel it's not suitable, so you just simply can return it and then you can get back the money. And the process is not that difficult. I heard a lot of people have the good process, good experience about returning the product. But the best thing about Atomy, I think there is less than 1% people will return back the product. So you can just judge it yourself how good the product. If the product is not good, of course a lot of people are going to return the product, right? So that's what makes me believe that this product is good, and this product will, and then this brand, this Atomy will help me to generate another income, because of, and then you can generate income without having capital, without having experience. So everybody is eligible to become member of Atomy and eligible to have Atomy as their business. So you don't have to keep up the stock, you don't have to think about all this itsy bitsy something management something, because everything company have prepared for you. So because we have the good support system, we have a good education system, because in Atomy they really rely heavily on having a good education. So if you don't have any experience, there are lots of people who is housewife, or the education is not, they only have like primary education, not tertiary education. So they feel really bad about not having lack of knowledge. You don't have to worry about Atomy. Everything have been taken care of. So like me, I love doing, I interested doing business. Of course, I more prefer to work with people. I prefer to have my own salary, but until when? So I'm keep thinking, if this if happening like right now, like COVID, so the company have let me go. So what happened again if I go into a corporate world again? The same cycle will happening again. So maybe one day I will be let go again. So despite of lots of my experience, if I don't have any place to work, it means nothing. So that's why I need to start something. So this is when I want to start something, even though it's slowly, but it's surely. Okay, right now I already have, so I already joined Atomy almost 1 year. I started really slow because I'm kind of person who hates stress. So some of people who is really durable on stress, they will perform it, they can get money like every day. But for me, I just okay, because I still have this job, so I still have, but I need something stable, so I need to be stable. But right now, alhamdulillah, I still have for 1 year I managed to get a lot of matching. And alhamdulillah, still, even though it's low, but it's happening. So I don't say it's not happening. I just follow the process and then trust the process. That's what really happened when you really trust the process and you are really determined to do it. So me, I do have problems because of my lack of discipline. So that's why I'm quite slow compared to others, but I don't give up on it. Okay, despite of lots of rumors or whatever, but I don't give up on it. And I still believe that Atomy can give a good platform for me. So that's why I'm into Atomy. That's why I'm still with Atomy. I believe that Atomy will help me to improve my life, to improve my financial situation, so that I have financial freedom and I can pay back my parents. I can repay back my parents who have, I don't know, they have do a lot for me. Physically, mentally, financially, everything they have done for me. So I need something to repay back them. I just hoping that one day that I can bring them to holiday with me, maybe vacation outside of Malaysia, because right now I can just afford to just paying them to have a good dinner and vacation inside Malaysia. So I just want to do something nice for them. Okay, and then I would like to have financial freedom. So because I still have debts because of my stupid move. I'm not saying stupid, just I am lack of knowledge. So I need to have something from that. So I just need to have the to have financial freedom, and I can have time for myself. And I hope that I don't have to go back to corporate world again, so that in the future when I married, I still have time for my family, for my husband, for my future husband, for my future children. So I'm preparing right now. So I hope that this platform will help me to do so, because they can help you, they can help you, but if you didn't have any determination or you didn't have any perseverance on keep on going, nothing will happen as well. So they can prepare everything, but everything comes from you. So if you didn't feel doing it, the result will not going to come, because this is not just simply, you have to have the consequences from it. If you do this, you're going to have this one. If you do that, you're going to have this one, inshallah. Okay, so that's what why I decided to join Atomy, and what's the benefit that I feel it good for me. I feel it's really suitable for me. I really cater what my preference is. So yeah, that's all. Thank you very much.